The dad zone? What is this?
A man on a mission to fix the world's problems, one roll of duct tape at a time.
I didn't want my kids to burn themselves on the grill, so I built this little barrier. More importantly, I've got these pesky neighbors that come by, they look at what I'm grilling, they start giving me advice. I don't care how Jeff cooks his burger, right? I don't care how Rodney does his sausage.
I don't blame you.
I want to do it my way.
It's impressive.
Thank you.
And you know, come to think about it, I could use a sidekick. What do you say, duct tape boy?
Sidekick? You know, you're a big deal in this neighborhood, being the duct tape man, but I got this, so why don't you back it up?
This is impressive handiwork.
Thank you,
Yep.
thank you.
Yep.
Back it up, back it up.
I'll be at the neighbors if you need me.
Don't care, won't see you there.
Duct Tape Man. Coming soon to a neighborhood near you.
Nope, it's good.